As I prepare to head to a unique installation in California, I'm setting up the wiring in a bench test. This installation will be using our HVAC or low voltage bridges in a one-to-many configuration. At the installation, there are 2 different control locations, as well as 9 gates that need to be controlled from either location. This combines a variety of sending and expansion units from SureFi, as well as buttons and auxiliary relays in 3 locations. AAS is the installer and are using this ingenious application of SureFi to do what would otherwise be impossible. In out-of-the-box configuration, the SureFi expansion unit has 5 relays that close to the voltage being provided to the unit, whether that's 12 volt DC, 24 volt AC, whatever, and 3 dry contact relays. In our case, we wanted all the relays to be dry contact. So for 9 doors, we'll be using 6 dry contact relays between the 2 sets and adding ice cube relays for the other 3 gates. In this case, connect the DC control wires from the ice cube relay to the output relay on the SureFi and the ground shown here, giving us all 9 dry contact relays. If you want all the relays to close to voltage in the case of a door strike, by connecting the voltage out shown here into the common of the 3 remaining dry contact relays, they can be switched to provide voltage for door contacts or whatever is necessary. Since this installation required us to be able to trigger the relays from either control location, here I show you that the buttons can trigger it from the center location as well as the first location as shown previously. The key to the center location to keep the wiring simple is to share power and ground between this receiving expansion and the sending SureFi units. You'll notice the green and white outputs from the black receiving unit share the same side of the switch as the other inputs from the white sending unit. The other side of the switch is the red wire from the white control unit, and since they both share the same ground, it triggers correctly. And for clarification on the sending side, we are shorting the red wire to whichever color corresponds to the desired channel. Win the bid with SureFi. For technical and install support, call us at 844-787-3340.